I'm a forensic scientist, and I face several investigations of real cases. So I'm bringing with me the memories of Federica, Francesca, Inga, and many other women and others that I had the honors to bring justice to. Forensic science, on one hand, is great to be science that can look for blue sky science, new project, new frontiers of science, what we can do with things and with machineries and with new ideas. But let's make a step back. What my science can do today for today's problems, to close cases, to provide capability and give the real tools to the investigators and the law system to solve cases.
There are 61 sets of shoes here representing 61 women and children that have lost their lives. There were 7 in 7 days. I just want you to think about that. 7 women, and they're the only ones we know of. This project was brought to Kalgoorlie Boulder to raise awareness that family and domestic violence happens in every community, in every socio-economic group. It happens to all of us.
It's more than 20 years that I'm a forensic scientist, and I faced different cases as an expert witness. I do research, I teach students, and in my experience, the majority of the cases I investigated, the victim was a woman. These cases, when I was working on that, I was very objective and I tried to get the answer, but years later, these cases come back and you ask yourself, what happened there? What was the shortcoming? Could I have worked more and better if I had more tools? So I like the idea of using science in an objective way, by using also the emotion that the reason why you do certain science can bring to you and that you can transfer in your science.
I'd like to thank Hannah Clark's family for allowing her shoes to be part of this exhibition. Sue and Lloyd Clark were instrumental in shining a light after the death of their daughter and grandchildren, showing us and teaching us that coercive control is also a form of violence and it's unacceptable. This has to stop.
I'm here today to take the challenge and be the driving force to change. You cannot only deal with the victim and say, I'm sorry for you. It's a project of activism. Stop is not to stop, stop is a mission. I want for people to start conversation about what to do and listen to the real people. What are the issues? That we develop capability and capacity for the police, the investigators, the law system.
In 2023, the campaign for the 16 days in WA is play your part. So I implore every single one of us here to play our part.
My passion is the change of the end of the story. So I focus my energy in developing this project to change the story with the help of others, because I can't do that just myself. And in my teaching part, I want to pass that to the students. How can you be a game changer through science?